Imagine an assistant that doesn't just answer your questions, but actually does the task for you. You tell it what you want, and it handles the rest on its own. That is an AI agent, and today we'll break it down, step by step, in plain English. An agent can book a flight for you, read and reply to your emails, or research a topic and write a full report. In other words, it goes beyond talking and actually gets the job done. First, let's see what an agent actually does. Say you tell it, find the cheapest flight to New York next week and book it. A normal chatbot would just explain how to search for flights. But an agent opens different websites itself, compares prices, picks the best option, and completes the booking. So what exactly is an AI agent? Simply put, it's an AI model given three things: a goal, some tools, and memory. Those three things turn a plain model into an agent that can actually act. The goal says what to do, the tools let it act in the real world, and memory lets it remember what has happened so far. Now let's clearly see the difference between an agent and a normal chatbot. With a chatbot, you ask one question and it gives one answer and stops, while an agent takes a goal and does all the steps itself. Here's an example everyone knows: ChatGPT. When you ask ChatGPT a question and it just answers, it's acting as a chatbot. But when that same ChatGPT browses the web, takes actions step by step, and brings back a finished result, it's acting as an agent. Now the most important part: how does an agent work on the inside? It runs in a loop. First it thinks, then it acts, then it observes the result, and if something goes wrong, it corrects itself and tries again. Now let's talk about its tools. These are the real actions an agent can take, like searching the internet, sending an email, or filling out a form. Now let's see why memory matters so much. Because of memory, the agent remembers what you said, what has happened, and how far it has moved toward the goal. Let's look at a real everyday example. Say you ask it to build this month's expense report. The agent pulls your bank statements, sorts the expenses into categories, builds a clean report, and sends it to you. But keep one important thing in mind. The more freedom and tools an agent gets, the more room there is for mistakes. So for important tasks, human oversight is essential. So let's recap it once. An AI agent is an AI with a goal, tools, and memory that thinks, acts, observes, and improves itself. If this video helped, make sure to follow at jprasad.com.